Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Bharda. For that I have taken half cup of Chana Dal and roasted it till nice aroma comes out of it. You should not burn this, the taste differs then. So like golden brown color when it comes to that time you have to remove it from the gas and put it on a plate for cooling it down, and we have to coarsely grind this to a powder. For making Bharda you can use onion. Here I have taken Methi leaves chopped, Amaranth leaves chopped, and the Sorrel leaves. All these three leafy items I have taken. Now I will be chopping one onion also for making Bharda. I have taken 4 teaspoons of oil in this. Now we will put mustard seeds, cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, turmeric powder. We will put the onion in this. Saute this for a minute. Now add the leafy vegetables in this. I am cooking this on low flame. You need little oil extra for this. Saute this well till the leaves are wilted. Spices according to your requirement you can add. I will add salt to this. Half teaspoon jaggery also, powdered jaggery. Now we will add the coarse powder, the chana dal which we have roasted and made the coarse powder. 2 teaspoons I have added. Another teaspoon. Give a good mix and cover and cook for 5 minutes. The Bharda is ready. Sorry, I forgot to add the spice. I am adding only the chilli powder. If you want, you can add dhania powder and masalas as per your choice. I am making it very simple. This can be served along with rice, bhakri. Recently, one of my friend invited us for the Lakshmi Pooja and prasad thereafter. In the prasad, she had served this and I liked it very much. I asked her for the recipe and she shared the recipe with me. Because the prasad was made, she didn't add onion and all. I added onion with this. I added the rice and the butter and mixed it well, and it really tastes awesome. Bharda is a specialty of Vidarbha region, Marathwada. This can be served along with rice, bhakri, I had it with rice and ghee. It was tasting awesome. Now this is ready. We can plate it now. Serve hot. It's really tasty. You can try this and give me your feedback. Sorrel leaves are available now. You can try with the sorrel leaves so that the tangy, spicy, slightly sweet bharda is ready to serve. More details you can check it in the description box. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell button and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.